Gavotte, unfortunately you hadn't picked up from the video the correction on this end of this first line, so I think you will need to keep this hand separately, and it is a slightly more difficult piece of music anyway. So when you get to the end, we've written into the music, you've written into your music, that these two notes here, they are line to a line note, so they skip between G and E. I think the problem there is the fingers are 3 and 2, which of course don't miss a finger. So although you miss a note, you're not missing a finger. So that means you need to spread your fingers apart a little bit. So 2 and 3, so you need to just spread them apart so they can find those notes a bit more easily. So if I do the whole of that first line in the right hand, see the first ending is all in steps, G, F, E, but the second ending in this tune is G, skip a note to E so that you come to the D. So I've spread my 3 and 2 slightly apart so I can miss that key out. So that's at the end of the first line. So can you really look at that and make sure that you correct that this week? All right, the rest of the right hand was absolutely fine. The left hand, just be careful to make sure you do a slur ending on a staccato. So the little small, and it's the same in the right hand as well, but the little slur means you join, but then you finish the note with a short note. So short, then 2 more short notes. Slur, short, 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 slur, short, short, and on the next line as well, slur, short, short, short. All right, so make sure that's really clear when you do your playing. Now when you get to the middle C here, to find the chords you need to move your hand along. So your thumb is now your third finger. So where your thumb is, replace it with a third finger so that your second finger's on the D. Once you've got that fingering and that chord, all the other chords are in place. You don't need to move your hand anymore, right? But from the second bar on the second line, you had your thumb on middle C, but for the chord that follows, you need to have your third finger on middle C. So just practice moving your hand to find where your fingers need to be there. And just remember that you were playing at the beginning, going down to F, it's down to G, only G, 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4 notes apart. Okay, so make sure you get that left hand right as well.